Hello kids, welcome back to another video on the integers. Let's have a challenging problem in the integers again. So let's start with that. In the last video, I have taught you how to club the signs. So basically, when we will be solving this type of problem, as you can see on the board, first of all, we will be clubbing the signs and then we will be doing the calculation. So let's start with that. So let's first of all club the signs that we can see. So this is a negative 3 and plus and minus here coming together. So as I taught you, plus and minus makes a minus. So that's a minus here. And then there is a plus 1. Then again, there is a minus and minus. Let's club them. Minus, minus, when we club them, that makes a plus. Right. Now let's do the calculation. Negative 3 and negative 2. So minus and minus. Let's solve this part. First of all, the pink one. So negative 3 and negative 2. So negative, negative, or we can say minus, minus. That makes a plus. It means your calculation should be plus. So add the two numbers. 3 plus 2. That's a 5. Now, as I taught you, what's the sign with the bigger number? A negative sign. So there will be a negative sign with the answer. So the answer for this calculation is a negative 5. Similarly, if I pick up the next calculation, which is a plus 1 and plus 1, that you already know this will be a 2. Now, our calculation that we are left with is negative 5 and plus 2. So, plus and minus, what's a plus and minus? That's a minus. It means your calculation is a minus. So, 5 minus 2, that's a 3. But what's the sign with the bigger number? So from 2 and 5, which one is bigger? It's a 5. What's the sign with that? That's a negative. So the answer will also be having a negative sign with this. So it will be a negative 3. Thank you.